Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an essential topic that affects us all: how to maintain good oral hygiene. Taking care of your teeth and gums isn't just about a beautiful smile, it's crucial for overall health. Stick around as we explore some key tips and tricks to keep your oral health in top shape. First up, let's talk brushing. It's recommended to brush your teeth at least twice a day, using fluoride toothpaste. Hold your brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums, and gently move the brush back and forth in short or circular strokes. Flossing is equally important. It helps remove plaque and food particles that brushing alone can't reach, especially between teeth and along the gum line. Aim to floss at least once a day to prevent cavities and gum disease. Incorporating a mouthwash into your routine can provide additional benefits. Choose an antimicrobial mouthwash to help reduce plaque, gingivitis, and freshen your breath. Swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds after brushing and flossing. Your diet plays a significant role in oral health. Limit sugary and acidic foods and beverages that can contribute to tooth decay. Opt for nutritious foods like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, which are rich in essential nutrients for strong teeth and gums. Regular dental checkups are essential. Visit your dentist every 6 months for professional cleanings and oral exams. This helps detect and treat dental problems early, ensuring your smile stays healthy. Don't forget to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or sooner if the bristles are frayed. A worn-out toothbrush won't clean your teeth effectively, compromising your oral hygiene. By following these simple tips, you can maintain good oral hygiene and keep your smile healthy and beautiful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.